Anyways, you seen, welcome back to the channel. So we going and look at the demo account that we set up on the 23rd of March to test the strategies that I am running. Well, I am already running it on my personal account, but the algo strategies, low-key, IBS Hunter, I did add turnaround Tuesday, and I am currently working on another one. So if we start back from the 23rd of March, I really been so busy I didn't get time to update this. But you could see for that week, we were basically profitable for the entire week. We had one losing trade, which was on the 26th. We had one losing trade, but 23rd, 3 trades profitable, 4 trades on the 24th, 2 trades on the 25th, 1 trade on the 27th, and we had 4 trades on the 31st. For the end of March, we had 1 losing trade. And then if we go into April, we had 1 trade, which was pretty small on Wednesday, which was the 1st. And then we had 20 trades that triggered on the 2nd. Now, keep in mind, these 20 trades are because we trade multiple instruments and then different strategies running on it. So the lot sizing, all the lot sizing would be the same based on the strategy that is being traded. So if you look here, so I just click on Thursday and it pulls up the 20 trades right here. So you can see all of them are low-key, right? But you can see it's different instruments. So it's trading different instruments. So that's how that actually works. Right? So the combination of all 20 trades is what got us to basically 16% on Thursday. But still, those trades were pretty small. Like some of those trades were only 1%, less than 1% and stuff. So that was on Thursday. Today we had 4 trades, but today was different. The IBS Hunter actually fired some trades today, so we got 2 trades on the 2-bar IBS, and those were $98 and $58, almost $59. So today those 4 trades closed. You can see the 4 trades here. So these are the 4 trades, and these are the 20 trades from last Thursday, which was the 2nd. So for the lifetime of the account, if we just click on the lifetime of the account, so this is how the lifetime performance of the account looks so far. We currently have a couple open positions. So you can see here, these are the open trades. We have 7 open positions, all positive at the moment, all low-key. Yeah, we are up 41% roughly in the last, how long was that? Let me pull up the calendar. I would say last 2 weeks. Yeah, about 2 weeks, 41%. Now I know this does sound a bit crazy, but again, I have to reiterate, this is a $1,000 demo account and my lot sizes are extremely small. So if I pull up the terminal here and you look at it, pay attention to the lot sizes. And this is not grid or martingale or anything, right? As I mentioned, low-key will take a position. If the signal is still valid at the next bar, it will take the position again. If the signal is not valid, it wouldn't take it. But then if it's valid again before the first close, it would still take it, right? So you can see here we got 3 trades with the Euro Aussie, all sell, but all at 0.01. This is on the 4-hour time frame, so the trades are a good way apart, right? 0.02, and this is only because the balance of the account went up, so the lot sizing was able to go up to follow the balance. When it comes to crude oil and stuff, from backtesting, I realized that I could bump up the lot size a bit, so this trades with slightly different logic, so the lot size would be a bit higher. and that happens for different instruments. Some instruments would be at 0.01 per 1,000 in your account, and some would be at 0.01 per 500 in your account. So that determines the lot sizing. So you can see here the lot sizing pretty consistent. For the IBS Hunter, however, this trades on a completely different logic when it comes to lot sizing. This does a calculation based on the size of the bar, the volatility, and backtesting results from the past. So I have an idea of what ratio works well. For the IBS Hunter, it doesn't trade with a fixed logic, whereas Loki, if Loki is trading, all its trades for one symbol would be 0.01, 0.01. The IBS Hunter could take one trade today on the S&P 500 and it'd be 0.1, but it could take a trade tomorrow and it would adjust the lot size to 0.04, right? It all depends on the volatility of the market. It dynamically adjusts to cater for that. So these are all the trades. You could see we are doing pretty decent. We had one losing trade. Yeah, so we are keeping track of this account to see how the performance goes over, well, until the end of the month. Now, with that being said, I also decided to take 5%ers. I did not install the IBS Hunter on this. It's just trading low-key, and it is trading at a lot smaller risk based on the lot size. So as you can see here, we trade in 0.04 for 10k in the account, whereas if it was on the demo account, it would be trading 0.1. So it is trading a smaller lot size. We had two trades on Thursday. Did the account start on Thursday? Yes. So the account started last Thursday, which was the 2nd of April. We took two trades, both profitable. We took a small trade on Friday. We took a small trade yesterday, and we have a loss today on the Euro USD. Currently have two positions open, floating positive, so we would see how that goes. I am trying to keep the risk on this account extremely low, not really worrying about time, because the rules are extremely tight when it comes to prop firms, and for me, this is no rush. I mean, there's no point in rushing this to see if I could pass it within like 2 days, 3 days. Just leave it on the VPS, let it run, and see how it goes. So yeah, this is where we at with this account. I did start a small personal account to run low-key on. This account actually could be copy traded. The account started with 500 or 540 or something like that, and this is how the account went since, when was it? The 27th. So you can see we had two trades on the 27th, lost one, won one. Then on the 31st, we got 7 trades, won all 7. One on Wednesday was profitable on that. So on Thursday the 2nd, we had 7 trades, we lost 1. Friday the 3rd, we had 2 trades, we won those, and we had a small loss this morning. So we currently have 2 trades open, both profitable, so we just need to wait and see what happens. But this account is up, I think it's like 55% or something like that. But again, this is only because of the number of instruments it trades. Now I would say with this account, it is trading oil, and the oil just ripped. Let me show you exactly what day that was. That was Tuesday, and you can see these two symbols right here, actually these three, right? So that is oil futures, and yeah, it was just ridiculous. So we did make quite a bit from oil. So yeah, there you have it. This is where we at so far with the small personal account, testing it out with the Fiverr's 10K challenge, as well as this demo, testing all the strategies at the moment. As I said, Loki, IBS Hunter, and Turnaround Tuesday. I am working on a couple others to add to it, but this is where we at for now. Don't forget, if you want to use VelaTrack, there is a link in the description where you could go and download a free trial. If you do, let me know if you find any bugs so I could get them fixed and re-upload the new version. I just uploaded a version with this calendar built in because the previous version did not have the calendar. So I just uploaded that. So yeah, that is it for now. If you like this video, you may also like this one where you could see how the entire progress started. So I'll see you guys in the next video.